So yeah, whoever has joined, we will be talking to Chandan Roy Sanyal. How are you?
Hi. Good. How are you?
I'm also good. You're back in Kolkata, I heard.
No. I'm here only in Bombay. There was I
Oh,
think
okay.
some miscommunication happened because I
Oh,
got the thing. Then I said, "Arey, the time is already gone. Is it me? Was it someone else?" Then
oh God.
so yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh
I'm
no,
here.
no worries. We got you at the end. Yeah.
नहीं, no
So how are
worries.
you spending
बहुत
your
समय है.
time?
अभी तो बहुत समय है.
True.
I am.
मुंबई के पास तो बहुत समय है.
Actually, it's busier now. Life feels more busier now because you're at home and I live alone. There's like 100 things to do, and in
True.
between calls come. So then you like suddenly you're putting the masala or you're looking for that one gobi and suddenly you realize, oh, I have to send one voice note to BBC and then you put, so it's all the chaos. I had to like send
Nice.
somebody to pick up some Eid food from a friend's
Uh-huh.
house and her mom is messaging and then yeah, so it's been going on since the morning and I have not been able to coordinate. So there's so many things.
Wow, good to hear that you're busy. Alone and busy is, I think, the best combination right now in this lockdown. And seeing
Yeah,
the country in Mumbai, we don't think it's gonna open very soon. So,
ऐसे जा रहा है. So I think I
true.
have someone in my own building who is like suspected case. I don't know if it's
Oh
positive or
God,
whatever, but it's coming for
so
you. It's
scared.
coming for me.
No, it's not gonna come for you. We hope it doesn't. So,
Yeah.
let's just jump into talking about the show. Kali, I saw the trailer. It's quite intriguing. What is the show all about? Like, how does it pick up from season one?
So basically, the show is about this mother and the power of Kali. Like it's about her who is trying to save her kid,
Hmm.
which you'll see in the series from some bad guys. I'm one of
Yeah,
that bad guy.
yeah.
But then with the twist and all that. But yeah, I come in a way, sort of trying to make her do something really bad. I give her some really bad job to finish. Otherwise, I'll do something to your. No, just like the 70s, 80s
Yeah.
Hindi film. कि अगर तुमको ये चाहिए तो तुम्हें ये करना पड़ेगा. क्या तुम चाहती हो तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हो? वो सब चीजें. तो yeah, so it's like about her and the whole thing in one night film.
So, do you like playing bad guys? I mean, I loved your character in of Harry Met Sejal. You're like this bad goon, and then he finally meets you, and you're like, oh, this person. So, do you like playing these characters? Like, I'm sure in this you're like seriously bad, but then do you like playing these characters?
Yeah. Harry Met Sale. Actually, yesterday I was talking to someone else also from somebody, and she said that Harry Met Sejal. It was like a very funny gangster. Like it was very
Yeah.
funny. Like so, yeah. A lot of people spoke about that because normally you see gangsters to be like this really bad guy, and suddenly in Sejal, and suddenly Shah Rukh Khan's character say something, and I become like I completely freak out, and I suddenly
Yeah.
from here I fall down. I said, "Bhai, maaf kar do, मैंने क्या कर दिया?" So yeah, so different shades of bad guy. So this one here is also a bad guy, but he's got a different shade. He's not like typical, very sort of heavy-headed and with lot of style. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं पूरे सीरीज में एक व्हील चेयर पे बैठा हुआ हूँ.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah,
not
yeah.
able to move. So
Yeah.
it was very sort of little strange to be playing a gangster, but you can't move around, you can't do any style बाजी. कुछ फैशन वैशन कुछ नहीं है, कुर्ता पैजामा में बैठे हुए हैं आप, समझ रहे हैं आप? तो ऐसा वाला जोन है.
How challenging would you say was it to, because you're confined to not do a lot of things. You're like on a wheelchair, you can't do a lot of things. So how challenging was that?
Actually, it's very challenging in a way because a lot of because actors are always very insecure. I mean, everybody knows that. And people hate actors. They're self-obsessed. They're always talking about themselves. They're like megalomaniac. They're narcissistic. तो ये सब तो वैसे ही एक्टर के साथ आती हैं पैकेज में. उसके बाद आपको ऐसा रोल दिया जाता है कि जहाँ पे आप कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. और मैं भी गधे की तरह वो रोल चुनता हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा कुछ नहीं करना है तो मैं करके बताऊंगा. तो फिर आप वैसे ही व्हीलचेयर पे आपको बिठा दिया. अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कैसे किया जाए, क्या किया जाए. तो वहाँ पे दिक्कत है. दैट्स वेयर द प्रॉब्लम इज एंड दैट्स वेयर द चैलेंज ऑफ एक्टर इज वेयर you can't do much, but then still you have to be wicked, you have to be really lethal, you have to be sort of really a bad guy. So it was quite a challenge actually, where I have to completely use my power of my dialogues and texts
Yeah.
to portray that character and not use any other violence normally associated with a gangster. Yeah.
Nice, nice. I mean, that makes the show and seeing you on the show quite exciting. Like, this will obviously be in Bengali language, which we won't understand. So, would we have?
No, it's in
like,
Hindi
title-
also. It's
It's in Hindi
bilingual.
also.
So
Oh,
मैंने
nice.
हम लोगों ने कैसे शूट किया, हम लोगों ने एक सीन 2 बार शूट करते थे.
Oh,
पहले हिंदी में करते थे, फिर वही सीन बांग्ला में करते थे. तो सोचिए
हाँ.
कितना मेहनत का काम है, बिकॉज आपको सारी लाइनें हिंदी में याद करनी होती है, फिर वही लाइन आपको बांग्ला में याद करनी होती है. And then because you are doing it, and obviously as a language, there are different punctuations, different things, and you
Yeah.
sort of mix. So while sometimes you're doing a Hindi and the other person is talking in Bangla, I said, hello, it's a Hindi take, what are you doing? Then you start again, then he's talking in Bangla, I'm talking in Hindi, he says, hello, what are you doing? It's in Bangla. So all that was happening. So it's a bilingual show.
okay. Then that
Yeah.
makes us. That's a good news. Actually, I had no idea.
नहीं, हिंदी
it's
में
a
है. अरे हमने पूरी मेहनत की हिंदी में देखिए आप, बांग्ला हिंदी दोनों में with
कि मैंने
subtitles.
ट्रेलर देखा वो बंगाली में था. I could understand the visuals and I was like,
Yeah.
okay, बंगाली में मैं कैसे देखूंगी, अभी मुझे देखना होगा. But it's good
हाँ.
news that it's in Hindi too. So
और
I will.
एक चीज और इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देता हूँ आपके दर्शकों को कि ये तेलुगु और तमिल में भी डब हुई है.
Oh, nice. So सब देख सकते हैं.
इसका लाइक इन
Basically.
4 डायरेक्ट, हाँ, चारों लैंग्वेज में एक साथ चल रही है, तो आप चूज कर सकते हैं क्या देखना है.
So what would you say is the major difference between Bengali cinema and Hindi cinema? Like if we compare it.
The major difference, I think, first thing is food.
Yeah.
The food on Bengali set is to die for. It's like too good. वहाँ पे एक तो आपको एक मिलता है आपका चिकन स्टू, ठीक है.
Yeah.
चिकन स्टू जो है वो पपीते में बनाते हैं वो लोग, और उससे अच्छा चिकन स्टू मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं खाया. तो
Okay.
वहाँ पर खाना बड़ा अच्छा मिलता है, और वहाँ पे लोग थोड़े से ना, मतलब जो एक्टर लोग हैं वहाँ पे मैंने जो देखा है, देर अब obviously they're talking about work and characters, but they're constantly talking about food. Bengalis have this knack of talking about food. Okay. तो जैसे अभी आप लंच कर रहे हैं तो कल की बात हो रही है, तो आप खाना खा रहे हैं, लंच चल रहा है, तो बोले कहाँ शूटिंग है कल? बोले कल तो उधर है उत्तरपाड़ा में शूटिंग. अरे उत्तरपाड़ा में यार, वो वहाँ पे कचौरी मंगाओ यार, वहाँ पे वो जो उसकी दुकान है ना, और बढ़िया कचौरी. अब ये चल ही रहा है, तो मैं देख रहा हूँ भाई अभी क्या, तो खाना खत्म कर ले भाई पहले, तुम कल की बात कर रहे हो, कल के ब्रेकफास्ट की बात चल रही है. तो वहाँ पे लोग, एवरीबडी इज ड्रिवन बाय फूड इन बंगाल ऑन अ शूट. रात का खाना भी बाकायदा आप यूरोपियन की तरह शूट करते हैं, मतलब बाकायदा आपका ब्रेक होता है 1 घंटे का, आपको खाना बढ़िया चाहिए, नहीं तो भूख में लोग काम नहीं कर सकते वहाँ. तो ये सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस हमको लगता है. दूसरा है कि वहाँ पे यूनिट छोटे होते हैं. हिंदी फिल्मों के यूनिट बहुत बड़े होते हैं, आप तो गई होंगी काफी शूट्स पे हिंदी फिल्मों की. So there are a lot of people. Sometimes, I mean, Hindi film sets are also very intimidating, ना. इतने लोग
Yeah.
होते हैं, बड़े-बड़े stars, lot of vanity vans. Somebody who walks into a set first day will feel really like, where am I? If you're not from a film industry or from film background. But Bengal film shoots are really small. They're very cozy. The shoot dates are less. They tend to finish a film in 20 to 24 days, whereas a Hindi film sometimes takes 100 days, 80 days. So it's a very elaborate shoot. So those are the basic 3-4 differences. Yeah.
Okay, so are you also cooking at home? Like, and you.
Yeah.
Which is, I
Cooking.
really love that fish, that sarso wala fish, and I've never had like. So many people have made me eat it, and I've never had like the same taste that I've had in Kolkata or something. Never.
The शोरशे बाटा. तो
Yeah.
लेकिन आपने कभी किसी बंगाली के घर खाया वो शोरशे बाटा? कि
Actually,
ऐसी?
my tenants were Bengali, like earlier back in my home, so they used to make it for me. Like I love fish, so yeah, I had there. So after that, I've never had the same kind of fish ever.
That's then I'll tell you there are, I mean, अभी तो सब बंद है, but I'll
हाँ.
suggest you there are some restaurants in Bombay.
Mm-hmm.
So there is one in Oshiwara called Calcutta Club.
Okay.
Okay, it's a very small little restaurant, and I'll tell you basic places, because I go to basic places. That's where the real food really thrives.
Love that.
Okay? Not like a
Love
fancy place. Like
Yeah.
obviously in India, if you go for Japanese food, you have to go to a really fancy place.
True.
You won't get a Japanese food at Oshiwara Lotus petrol pump. Okay, but then for a Bengali food, or this place is called Calcutta Club, and that's where you get the best food, Bengali food, authentic. It's better than a lot of fancy restaurants, I believe. So there is one sweet called Pati Shapta there, which is a very well-known Bengali sweet.
Okay. Okay.
So that you should have. जिसने वहाँ पे एक बार वो पार्टी शाप्टा खाया ना, वो इट्स लाइक एन एडिक्शन, मतलब वो आपके ड्रग्स की तरह काम करता है, फिर आप मतलब आपको हर दिन चाहिए होगा वो, ऐसा वाला सीन. So if you can order food, you can Zomato it today. And
Okay.
I don't know
I'll
if
do
you are
that.
open or not. Yeah.
I'll try.
So they have good
Nice.
shorshe bata, they have good mangsho jhol, luchi, and aloo bhaja, dal, lot of ghugni. They have shupto. So all kinds of this Bengali home cooked food you get there.
Nice.
But we are talking about food. We have to talk about, I don't know, my publicity is like, why are you talking about food all the time? You have to talk about the show and all that. So yeah, so ask me. Yeah.
Food finds its way, I think,
Yeah,
on
yeah.
sets, on conversations, and conversations everywhere. So coming back to your work, let's talk about work. What future projects are you planning on? Like, are
Yeah.
you like doing something after the lockdown, or are you doing something during the lockdown? Like a lot of people are doing so much in the lockdown.
I am actually, like I said, I'm doing a lot actually. So so after this, I have another interview. Then I have to also, I've cut my vegetables. After interview, I have to go back to the cooking. Meanwhile, there is that cooking is happening. Kadak, I have to get out and go and pick up my Eid food from my friend's
Yeah.
mother because she just messaged me ki, okay, come by 3. So I have to drive to her gate, which is in Yari Road, and pick that up, come back. And so then I have a conference call at 4, and so it just goes on actually.
Busy.
Yeah,
day
I'm
for you.
trying. I actually write also. I write. So I'm writing few screenplays. I'm trying to put something together which I want to make films. तो वो सब करते रहता हूँ मैं, छोटा.
Nice. So, given a choice, what genre would you choose? Like, what interests you the most? Like, Kali is a thriller, so
Yeah, I think I would really like to try comedy. I think I'm quite funny in real life.
yeah.
But,
Seeing you in Jab Harry Met Sejal, we can totally surely say that.
या मुझे थोड़ा कॉमेडी का, इसलिए मुझे बड़ा मजा आया वो हैरी मेट सेजल का गयासुद्दीन करने में. हालांकि सीन
हाँ.
2 ही थे, लेकिन मुझे
हाँ.
लगा उन 2 सीन में जो बात है ना, वो कई बार होता है कि कई बार आप पूरी फिल्म करते हैं, लेकिन वो एक इम्पैक्ट आप वो पढ़ने में पता चल जाता है कि यार ये एक सीन अगर आप करोगे तो लोग इसको हमेशा याद रखेंगे. तो कॉमेडी मुझे, आई वांट टू डू मोर कॉमेडी. आई थिंक that is something I really enjoy, and good comedies always works, with the audience. So yeah, some good comedy I would love to try after post lockdown.
Like a comedy screenplay for us, shoot it at home and give it like.
नहीं, मैं वो मैं करते रहता हूँ. मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे आलतू फालतू वीडियो बना के डालते रहता हूँ, तो लोग बड़ा उसको एंजॉय करते हैं. काफी लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं कि डालते रहिए आपके वीडियोस, वी वेट फॉर दोस वीडियोस बिकॉज़ इट मेक्स अस लाफ एंड स्माइल. So I keep doing that Shaan Patti on Instagram.
Okay, so I'll ask all the fans if they have any questions, they can drop in the questions. And meanwhile,
Yes,
while
please.
the questions are coming in, I have a quick game for you, very small, very easy. It's called Your
Sure.
Last. So you have to tell everything that has happened to you like last.
Okay.
So I will last it.
Last.
Okay. The last book you read.
Animal Farm.
What was it about?
It's basically about a farmhouse where there are a lot of animals who live in a farm, and it's basically a political satire written by George Orwell. It's a very old book, and that's where basically वो वहाँ पे होता है ना, पॉलिटिक्स में होता है कि मैं नेता बनूंगा. नेतागिरी में लोग एक दूसरे की गड़बड़ हो जाती है. सबको नेता बनना है, तो नेतागिरी कर रहे हैं सब सारे जानवर. तो वो बड़ा एक satirical comic element in it, but it's a very politically thing, and it's like about like how everywhere in the world it's about this politics which is catches on ना, कि सब एक के पीछे एक भागने लगते हैं. So it's all about that. So yeah, that was that one.
Okay. The last movie you watched.
Last movie I watched was this film yesterday. I watched. It's called Colette with Keira Knightley. It's a very beautiful film about this lady who was a French writer, Colette, who was actually one of the most celebrated woman author of France, of the 19th century, and she wrote about this one character called Claudine, and
Okay.
Claudine was this, which was basically she borrowed from her own real life, and she
Okay.
kept writing about it, and it was very sexually um, revolutionary for those times, because it's about living her sexual desires, getting together with another woman who was in upper class, and then theater. So it's a very interesting film. If people want to collect, it's on Netflix, and Keira Knightley is brilliant in that film.
Thank you for the suggestion. I have something to watch now. Last
Yeah.
embarrassing thing you did.
Last embarrassing thing I did. Last embarrassing thing. That's a I don't know. Last embarrassing. मैं actually अपने आप बहुत embarrass करते रहता हूँ, तो मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा है. Last कहाँ मैं embarrass हुआ था? I can't remember.
Wow. ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
कहाँ
जब
remember?
याद आएगा आप बता देना. ठीक है.
जी.
Next,
जी.
last message you sent.
Last message I sent to for this Eid food only.
Okay.
तो वो
Okay.
मैंने भेजा कि मैं स्विगी करूंगा कि डंजो करूंगा. मैंने बोला मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, मैं खुद ही आ रहा हूँ 3 बजे आपके गेट पे. सारा कंफ्यूजन हटा के कबाब तले जा रहे हैं, वो कबाब लेने जा रहा हूँ मैं इसके बाद
Wow.
सीधा.
Wow. क्या plans है आपके एकदम?
फिर से खाने की बात नहीं करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है ना. ये लास्ट मैसेज वाला क्वेश्चन था, नॉट अबाउट लास्ट कबाब्स.
Yeah. The last picture you clicked.
Last picture I clicked was last night on my phone. It was titled "Talking with Imaginary People in My Room."
Oh, nice. Wow. The last thing you ate.
पोहा आज सुबह ही बनाया.
Okay, we again came to food only. The last person you talked to.
Last person I talked to, I don't know. I just spoke to a few people in the morning from films. I mean, some work calls. Yeah.
Okay. The last series you hated.
Last series
You
I
watched
hate.
it and you didn't like it.
TV series. I don't know. कौन सा था यार? Actually मैं तो सारे देख लेता हूँ. मैं बहुत lenient सा हूँ.
You never hated anything you watched. Like not hate. It's a strong word, but didn't like it.
Didn't like it. I think लोग मुझे मार डालेंगे.
बोलिए
वो
बोलिए.
है मनी हाइस्ट करके एक शो है. मनी हाइस्ट.
नहीं मारेंगे. I mean I also think it's very overrated.
It was too loud. Acting was very bad. So I tried watching like 8 episodes. तक मैं खींच के गया. उसके बाद नहीं देख पाया. I mean, people were talking about this because everybody was talking so much. So I thought कि यार होगा कुछ. But I thought it was too loud, too garish. And yeah, it was, and there was too much music. Like every time something used to happen, they're like, and that lady cop, she was like, very bad. Yeah. Sorry
Okay,
about that.
we'll read a few fan messages and then I'll let you go
Huh.
because I know you're a busy person. So the good girl literally has been spamming and she's like she loves you and she is like she wants to talk more about food. So I think, and she's like she.
I think he spoke for 20 minutes on food only, last 21 minutes.
And Tushar Pandey said, I think he said star. Everyone, they don't have questions for you. They're just appreciating.
हाँ अच्छा. तुषार पांडे खुद एक अभिनेता हैं और
हाँ जी.
इनका काम ये है. आप जानते हैं तुषार पांडे को? तुषार पांडे छिछोरे में थे, ठीक है ना.
हाँ,
इनके
पता
जब
है.
से मैंने इनके साथ काम किया है ना, ये पीछे पड़ गए मेरे. मैं यहाँ भी कहीं लाइव जाता हूँ, कुछ आके सर से कुछ डाल देते, स्टार और ये और वो करके. ये सुरती वाले लोग हैं, समझ रहे हैं आप. ये जाके सिर्फ वो फिश करी में वो जो मस्टर्ड डालने वाला काम होता है ना, पहला जो तेल में वो है यार पांडे. But anyways, thank you.
So Stav has said, he said, like I think that's the dish you were talking about. I think.
अच्छा पार्टी शाफ्टा.
हाँ, party shapta. Sorry.
Yeah, that's a drug. Yeah, it is. I'm telling you, you should. You'll go crazy.
I will try it now. Once this is over, I think I should go and try this. There's so much food talking. So
हाँ,
last
किसी के सवाल नहीं है. हाँ.
Any messages?
मैसेजेस तो मैसेजेस ये है कि क्या मैसेज है 29 को देखिए काली सीजन 2
Yeah.
और उसमें बड़े अच्छे अच्छे दूसरे अभिनेता भी हैं, अभिषेक बैनर्जी हैं जिन्होंने अभी बड़ी अच्छी पाताल लोक सीरीज की है, वो
हाँ.
हैं, पाउली राम हैं, विद्या मालविडे हैं, राहुल बैनर्जी करके एक बहुत अच्छे अभिनेता हैं कलकत्ता के। शो जिन्होंने क्रिएट किया है रोहन और इत्रा, सीजन 1 उन्होंने बनाया और वो खूब बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस, एक्चुअली दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल शोज ऑफ Z5 which was made in Bengali, but it did so well that they had to dub it in various Indian languages. So season 2 they made it in Hindi because the Hindi one also did very well. So please watch it on 29th May. आप सब घर पे ही हैं, समझ रहे हैं, कुछ तो ज़्यादा हम लोग कहीं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे, सबका पार्टी शाप्टा बना हुआ है, तो बना लीजिए घर पे, थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा Z5 पे।
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for talking about food and your show. Good luck for the show. And
Thank
we
you.
hope to see you more and more on screen. Thank
Yes.
you and take care.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So guys, that was Chandan for you. If you've missed any parts of this live, you can check back on our YouTube page. I've given the description below. And keep coming for lives, as I say every day. And take care. And thank you for joining. And bye-bye.